So this is the lagoon. We're waiting for Moira and Daddy to take picture. And this is the hurricane. Ayun, grabe. Nagsisigawan sila. And doon, walang overweight. Okay lang kahit overweight. Yung ibang slides, hindi pwede pag overweight or underweight. So we're here at Aqua Planet. Yay! Are you ready? Look at Rami. So this is the entrance. Parang may RFID. Here we go. FCR. You want picture there? Oh, diba? This is the entrance pa lang. Ang laki-laki na. At ayun yung mga locker. 500 per locker. And here's the map. What a souvenir. So grabe, ganito pala siya kalaki. So grabe, ang laki niya. Ano to? It's so hot. And ito yung free umbrella. Dito sa malapit na kainan. And you're gonna use your wristband to order food. Napakaingay. So ayan, yung kanilang wave pool. Hindi pala ito wave pool. Ano ba to? Basta, yung maiikot mo yung buong resort. Doon tayo galing. And yan, ililipat tayo. Marami naman palang, place, Daddy. Akala ko wala. Sobrang dami nga pala. Wala yung nasa harap? Wala yung nasa harap ng wave pool? Here. You too. Come here. Itong may mga ganito, may bayad yan. Ang mga free, itong ganito, yung umbrella lang. Merong mga aircon, may bayad din. 5,000 up, presyong hotel. Wow! Ang daming ng tao. So, andito sila lahat. Later, you go there. O, diba? Pag ganito may bayad to yung mga kabana. Dahil pala nagbayad na nga tayo, Daddy. Siyempre andito lahat kasi para may view. O diba, yung wave pool nila may TV. Parang cinema. Ayan o. Gugutumin ka habang nagsiswimming. O, napapanood about food. Oh, dito na lang tayo. Beach 7. Kaya pala doon daddy bakante kasi walang view. Ah, ito pala daddy. Baka pwede dito. Ayan. So, Kuya Miggy is there. Kita ko. Kuya Miggy! Kuya! Kuya! Kuya Miggy! Kuya! Here! Ready to swim? Okay, go!
Yung pulis mo, iwanan mo na.
Oy, leave your crocs here kay Mami. Bawal. So safe na safe naman dahil may lifeguard pero hindi pa rin pwedeng iwan yung kids. O in fairness, hindi naman sila strict masyado. Ah, naiyak na kasi hindi pa ako nagsiswim. Wala yung tatay niya, tsaka yung kuya niya. Gusto mag-slide. Kids as little as Moy cannot go to the slides kasi tatangayin ng salbabida. Salbabida, floaters. So rejected daw sila doon sa isang slide kasi overweight si Miggy. So, balik na lang sila dito sa wave pool. Bantay sa gamit. Saan kayo pupunta? Bili daw kayong pizza and mango shake.
Can we go to Mermaid? Diyan tayo, oo. Mamaya pag wala na sila. Init? Can we go to Mermaid?
Yun lang yung hassle kasi since company outing to and kaming apat lang, walang mapag-iwanan ng gamit at ang lalayo ng area. So wherever we go, we get our things. Actually may locker naman, kaya lang maliit lang. And 500 yung maliit na locker. So yun talagang valuables mo lang yung pwede mong iwan. But syempre may pa-change clothes kami, may water, tumblers lang actually kasi bawal pala magpasok nga naman ang water. So tumbler para malamig pa rin yung water. So ayan, pupunta na naman kami sa kids area. Doon nila talaga gusto. So ayan, tsaka dito. Daddy, ito. Gaganito daw kami. Ayan. So, dala mo yung mga order mo. Kung nag-order ka. Layo ng lakaran. Eto, may kiddie slide din. Pwedeng alligator yun. Cute din. Ah, cute! Dito na lang kami tatambay. Oh, wait for mommy. So, dito na lang tayo. Naka-safe kaya yun? Moira, slowly ah. Ah, sige, go. Oh, go.
Here we go!
Moira. Excuse ate. Okay.
Yeah!
Ah! Naiiwan na naman yung video ni Mami. Nalungkot si Miggy. Hindi siya allowed. Overweight na naman.
Eh, hindi naman talaga siya dyan pwede.
Oh, halika na, Moira. Ibi-video ko na. Where is she? Yay! Very good! You're so brave! Wow! once you go down, Maria Camille, listen. Once you go down from the slide, alis ka agad kasi may mga kasunod, okay? Why, kuya? You're bored? They don't allow you to slide? Slide na to. Where did you ride? Tell mommy, dali. The spiral? What was the experience? Ano ba to si kuya?
He said it was a twisting.
The hurricane.
The hurricane? Is it good?
He was tired.
He was tired. Hi, Moy! Princess Moy! Wow! Kaya pala gusto niya dyan. F na F. So ayun, uwian na. Parang ayaw na namin magbihis. Natuyo na sa init ng araw. And we're gonna check in sa isang hotel dito. So may mga change area, male, PWD, family changing, and female. Hinahanap natin ref magnet. Kuha tayo. Mode of payment, GCash, or yung wristband.